This is Yashika Negi, the student of grade 9, standing before you to express my views on the notion global warming and its impacts. First of all, what is global warming? Global warming is the biggest environmental issue we are facing nowadays. It is the greatest challenge that we need to win. In fact, global warming is a continuous and steady process of increase in the temperature of Earth's surface. It has impacted nature's balance, biodiversity, and climatic conditions of the Earth over decades. It is due to the increased atmospheric greenhouse gases like CO2 and methane. Other processes like burning of fossil fuels, use of fertilizers, rise in other gases like CFCs, tropospheric ozone, nitrous oxide are the reasons of global warming. The ultimate causes of such reasons are the population explosion, increasing demand for industrial expansion, deforestation, priority towards urbanization, and the use of technological advancement like global carbon cycle, creating holes in the ozone layer and allowing the UV rays to enter the earth add to an increase in the global warming. What are its impacts? Global warming directly impacts the rising sea levels, melting ice caps, glaciers, unexpected changes in climates. The increasing global warming calls for the unexpected disasters, ice melting, lack of food, epidemic diseases, etc., thus causing imbalance to nature's phenomena and indicating end of life existence on this planet. So, what can we do to reduce global warming? By stopping deforestation, encouraging people to plant more trees, and controlling the population growth, we can succeed in reducing global warming to a great extent all through the world as it lessens the use of destructive technologies on Earth. Thank you.